Humans versus planets, the ultimate survival test. What if humans had to face every planet in our solar system in a test of survival? Let's find out how long we could last and which planet would defeat us first. Mercury. Our journey begins with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. A trip from Earth would take around 3 months with today's spacecraft. Mercury is a planet of brutal extremes. By day, temperatures soar to 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. At night, they drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere, it can't trap heat, causing rapid swings between burning daylight and freezing darkness. Solar radiation here is 7 times stronger than on Earth, and the surface is littered with cliffs and craters. The only region where a human might survive a few seconds longer is the Terminator Zone, the thin line between light and dark. But even there, the temperature can change in moments. Even with the most advanced suit, a person would survive only seconds before heat or cold takes over. Venus, next stop. Venus, Earth's twin in size, but not in comfort. Reaching Venus takes about 4 to 5 months. Its thick yellow clouds are made of sulfuric acid, and beneath them lies a surface hotter than any other planet. 450 degrees Celsius, with air pressure 92 times stronger than Earth's. That's enough to crush metal. The atmosphere is almost pure carbon dioxide, and lightning storms flash across the clouds every few minutes. Yet about 60 kilometers above the surface, there's a calm layer where conditions are surprisingly Earth-like. If humans ever live here, it won't be on the ground. It'll be in floating cities, drifting through a golden sky of acid and cloud. Mars from Venus, we move outward to Mars, the red planet of hope and danger. A trip to Mars takes around 6 to 9 months, depending on alignment. Mars is the only planet where humans might actually survive for a while. Daytime can feel mild, around 20 degrees Celsius, but nights fall to minus 125 degrees Celsius. Its thin atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, offering almost no oxygen and little protection from radiation. Dust storms can last for weeks, covering the entire planet in orange haze. But deep beneath the surface, scientists have found frozen water and lava tubes that could serve as natural shelters. With pressurized domes, solar power, and teamwork, humans might one day turn Mars into a second home. Jupiter next, we face Jupiter, the true giant of the solar system. It lies 780 million kilometers from Earth, a journey that would take around 1 year. Jupiter has no solid surface, only endless clouds and storms. Radiation near the planet is instantly lethal, and gravity is 2.4 times stronger than Earth's. Its Great Red Spot, a storm larger than our entire planet, has been raging for centuries, with winds reaching 480 kilometers per hour. Deeper inside, pressure becomes so high that gas turns into metallic hydrogen, a strange liquid that conducts electricity. Humans could never stand on Jupiter. The only way to survive would be to orbit it or explore its moons, especially Europa, where a vast hidden ocean might shelter alien life. Saturn, beyond Jupiter, drifts Saturn, the golden world of rings and storms. Travel time from Earth, about 1.2 years. From afar, Saturn looks peaceful, but up close it's chaos. Winds race at 1,800 kilometers per hour, and upper layers freeze to minus 250 degrees Celsius. Deeper down, gases compress into liquid hydrogen, and the core burns hotter than the surface of the sun. Flying through Saturn's rings would be deadly. Billions of icy and rocky fragments orbit at bullet speed. But nearby lies Hope, Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan's thick orange air and methane lakes create a strange, calm world. Gravity is so low, humans could glide through the sky like birds. Uranus. Our next stop is Uranus, nearly 3 billion kilometers away. A trip that would take 8 to 9 years. Uranus spins on its side, giving each pole 42 years of sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. It's an ice giant filled with frozen water, methane, and ammonia. Temperatures plunge to minus 224 degrees Celsius, the coldest in the solar system. Its winds blow at 900 kilometers per hour, And deep inside, scientists believe diamond rain falls through its icy clouds. For humans, survival here is impossible. The only safe place would be in orbit, watching from above the frozen haze. Neptune. Finally, we arrive at Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It lies 4.5 billion kilometers away, a journey lasting 12 years or more. Neptune is a deep blue world of freezing cold and violent storms. Winds reach 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. The upper atmosphere is ice cold, while the core burns at 7,000 degrees Celsius, heated by immense pressure. Like Uranus, Neptune may also have diamond rain glittering through its clouds. But for humans, there's no solid ground, no warmth, and no chance of landing. Only the beauty of watching a wild blue world from afar. Earth, after facing every planet, one truth stands clear. Earth is the only world built for life. It has air we can breathe, water we can drink, and a perfect balance of warmth and cold. Mars might one day hold human colonies, and Venus may host floating cities. But for now, Earth remains our only true home. The solar system was never made for us, but that has never stopped humans from trying. Subscribe my channel for more videos.